Greetings. I'm going to just do a short tutorial on how to decant perfumes. This is not a laboratory safety video. If I were to do this professionally, I would be wearing gloves and go over all of that stuff. But for friend to friend swaps, I'm just gonna continuously wash my hands in between decanting the fragrances. You cannot cross-contaminate fragrances you're decanting, so you're gonna need to use one of these like spray things or one of these plastic cones or one plastic syringe or a dropper tool per fragrance. I'm going to start with this one. For bottles that you cannot take the top spray part off of, you can take the little spritzer part off. And that's when these little nozzle spray things come in handy, because this goes onto it, or it should. It's not always perfect. And then you can spray it directly into the little perfume vial you have. So that nozzle is for this particular sample, right? And so if you're not making multiple decants of one fragrance, then you're done, right? If you are doing multiples, then keep using the same sprayer across your little decant sample bottles. Otherwise, go wash your hands and you're done. So now that I've shown you how to use the little nozzle spray thing, we're gonna use just these plastic cones. You can get metal ones as well. I just bought the plastic ones because they're marginally cheaper. So you look out with the Serge Lutens bottles because you can just twist them off. If you couldn't, then you would just spray the nozzle directly into the tube, like this. Okay, it's not perfect. Slightly less messy than it could be. The droppers are good for getting the exact amount that you want. So I put in exactly 1 milliliter, but that doesn't fill this up. This is really more of a 2 milliliter sampler. So that's how much I'll put in here to share with my friend. And I have a empty Ziploc that I put my used decanting materials in, and I label the decant materials by what perfume they were used with. So if I want to decant more of that fragrance, I can just reuse the plastic that I've already contaminated. And I don't have to keep wasting using one-off materials. So that's that. I hope that's helpful. It's not a high production video. I usually literally am using my photo booth on my laptop, but I hope that helps.